Good morning, guys. Today's the day my CV Axles got here. So right now I'm gonna go to the UPS, the one in Garland, go pick them up, and hopefully tomorrow, if not tomorrow, at the end of the week, I'm gonna go take it to the shop and get them replaced. So let's get the day started. Customer center. Oh, it's straight. Hey, Jeep gang. There we go. CV Axles for my shit box. Good morning, guys. Yesterday I got my CV Axles. Today I'm gonna go to the shop, get them replaced. Hopefully they finish today. If not tomorrow, it's cool. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the tire shop. Cause I have a flat tire, I'm gonna get a new used tire. Cause the boy is broke right now. With all this COVID, I haven't been working a lot. So let's get the day started, boys. My battery is dead, so I'm charging it right now. It's been like a minute. See if this bitch turns on. Think it's gonna turn on. Oh yes! Alright, I'm gonna take it to the shop now. Fog, it feels weird, bro. Hopefully nothing happens. Did y'all hear that noise? I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I'm walking to the shop today because they said it was ready. I have a long ass walk. Almost there. Bro, it's super windy. So my baby's right there. Damn. Look at them low cars, bro. Low life is a risk, carnal. I got the car back. The new CVX are in. Now I'm gonna head to the tire shop, get that flat tire fixed temporarily, cause in the next 2 weeks I will be running new wheels. So let's go to the tire shop. Oh, there it is. wash. Give it some little love to it because I haven't washed it in a while. Well, I'm not gonna like deep wash it. I'm just gonna rinse it. So.
Baby, you understand me now. If sometimes you see that I'm mad, don't you know no one alive can always be an angel? When everything goes wrong, you see some bad. But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Y'all stay tuned for the new wheels. Man, they're gonna look clean. But alright, peace out.